Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be exploring Rudy Kraemer Nature Preserve. Sleeves up or down?
Sleeves up. Beautiful out.
I know. Alright. First photo.
Looks a little heavy for you, string bean.
My itches alone.
God, I hate when you do that, especially when you have pop on in your backpack. Just shaking it up. Well, you're the one drinking it, not me.
Alright, let's carry on.
Because your boy got that monster Ultra Rosa. This video is not sponsored by Monster in any ways. It's just me promoting a good flavor of energy drink. It's my favorite flavor.
Monster's your favorite flavor?
No, the Ultra Rosa.
It's
my
Monster, my favorite flavor.
No, Monster is my favorite energy drink. Because Rockstar is meh.
Don't want to drop my
Full
camera.
Throttle is meh.
Where am I? I can't see. I don't know if this will turn out. It's just an idea. This might be in the end of the video saying my epic fails.
I'm 5. I gotta walk in the puddles.
Waterproof boots. This is my third time at this park. I don't know why, I really do not like this park, but there's something always brings me back here. I did make one video from this place before, and that was April 2020, where Darius and I came here for sunset. I will admit this is a really pretty place for sunset. If Darius wasn't busy tonight, we would have came here for sunset instead. I do actually want to come here during the summer though, because I've never been here during the summer. I think I got or just keep me walking into it.
Snowball versus backpack.
Seriously? Ugh. What do I do with you, Darius?
Round 2, let's go. Snowball versus thigh. Damn it. No!
Good snow, I can like grab.
Woo!
This is how this is my forearm.
That's cold.
Not because the camera might not get me. Oh, it's cold. Right? Right? Oh, I got you!
I tasted that. It's in my beard. Since I keep missing.
Seriously!
Snowball versus butt. Success. Got it!
During the sunset, right here, is my favorite place to get a picture of. My favorite spot to get sunset. It's like really pretty.
Hey, is my hand cold?
Darius!
Is my hand cold?
I don't like you.
Well, if you weren't wearing your backpack, I would have went up your shirt in the back. Put my icy cold hands on your lower back. You boys back at it again. I love you.
Terrible. Terrible.
Can we get her? Can we get her? Can we do it? We almost got her. We almost got her, guys. We got some in her hat. Am I ever done tormenting you?
Have I ever told you how much I hate you?
It fell. Hi.
I have a question for you guys. As you guys obviously know by my titles, I have parks in the Twin Cities. I'm thinking about changing that, and I want to know what you guys think. Parks in the Twin Cities limits me to only parks in the Twin Cities, but this whole channel is about exploring Minnesota. Thinking about changing to Minnesota locations or Minnesota parks, something like that. Or should I start a new series about locations or parks in Minnesota so I still keep my Twin Cities for people who want to see parks that are just in the Twin Cities? Then when I go places outside the Twin Cities, I'll add that to Minnesota parks or Minnesota locations. I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are on that. I want to thank you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me through the comments. Okay, now you're scaring me with the shushing. Ooh, ow, my hip is going out. Ow, okay, my hip. Oh, Darius, come on, my hip. Oh, I hate him so very much. Stop putting snow in my pockets, Darius. He put this in my back pocket. I want to thank everyone for I lost my train of thought. For commenting on my videos, especially the people who comment, the same people who comment on every single video. You guys know who you are.
The real MVP.
Oh yeah. To be honest, every time I upload a video, I get so excited. Like, okay, I know this person and this person and this person. Like, all of you guys who do comment on every single video is going to comment. So I always look forward to like, oh, I cannot wait to see what they say about this video. I love reading comments on my videos. Darius loves reading comments, especially if they're about him. And mom also loves the comments too, because I read them to her. Oh, grab this people. I'm gonna hit my picture really quick, and then I'll get back to this. There are days where I just think I'm done with this YouTube. It just sometimes I'm like it's too like not too much, but I'm like, what's the point? I can't drive due to medical reasons, so my mom and Darius are always driving me to all these locations, and I feel really bad dragging them out on days where they don't want to go out or just want to relax or anything. But they feel bad for me because they know that I need to get a video. On those days, I'm like, why am I doing this? But then I think of you guys, I'm like, well, I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing it for people who likes Minnesota, who wants to know about Minnesota, or people who live in Minnesota and just wants to know about more locations in your home state or the state you moved to. Anyway, so every time I read you guys' comments, it just reminds me, like, this is why I'm doing this. This is the reason why I go out and record these videos and drag my mom and Darius out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in April.